Hello everyone, I am Akshay. Welcome to the channel. Let's imagine you are building a weather application which will suggest you which type of clothing or accessories you have to keep with you according to the weather, right? So let's assume if the weather is sunny, then you have to keep caps with you. If weather is winter cold, then you have to keep jackets with. If it is rainy, then you have to keep the umbrella with. So how we tackle this? So in Kotlin programming language, there is a decision control statement pattern which is when statement. Now you can see here it is like this. With the help of this, with this you can the checks or conditional checks with multiple conditions. Okay, so here I have created a variable var and assign a winter. So here you have to create like that. When in parenthesis you have to pass the variable and then open and close the curly braces. In the curly braces you have to pass the values that has to be the condition. Okay. So in our case, our first condition is summer. The season has to be summer. Then with the help of hyphen and greater than symbol, you can create this kind of arrow. After that, open and close curly braces. This block of the code will be executed if the provided variable is the same scenario. If provided variable is winter, then this block will be executed, and both of the condition doesn't match. The season has to be a rainy season, and in that scenario this condition will be, this block will, let's see the code example of when. So here I have, this is the same code which I have shown you presentation, right? Let's run the code. You can see the value of a is winter, so it will show please keep your winter jackets. Here you can understand, first of all, value of a is winter, so here it will check the value of a, it is summer, no it's not summer. Then it will again check the value of a is winter, okay it's sir. It will execute this block, and after that execution statement come out the when. Okay, when decision control flow. What if I will run the program? You can see here please keep your cap with you. Okay, and what if I will change it to some other thing, rainy or some any, please keep your raincoat. So what else part will do? Else part will do if the above condition or the provided condition which does not match to any of the cases provided here, when loop, then it will it will execute this else block by default. Okay, so this is the one thing in the when state. Let's see, what if you have ranges, like if you want to find something is lying between a specific range, then what can you do? So here let's consider the scenario you are building the application and you encountered this situation. According to the provided month, you have to check the season is summer, winter, rainy season. Okay, so here you can see the value of variable a which is to be provided. In our case it is 2 right now. So in when statement it will come and it will check in 1.5, it will check the value of a is lies in the range 1 to 5. It is lying in the range 5. Then it will execute the block in front of it, so it will return the sum. If the value of a is like it will be 7, then what it will do, will come the execution. Then here it will check, is 7 lie between 1 and 5? No, then this block is not going to execute. Then it is going to check this case, is 7 lie between 6 and 9? Yeah, right. So it will return us the rainy season. What if I will do some random number? What if I will enter 100? This scenario, it will go through all the 3 cases, and then after any of the case does not match with the provided, so in that scenario it will execute this else block and it will return please enter the correct. So hope so you will realize what is the use of else block. So let's look the same example on the code editor. So here I have created the code in online playground of code. Let's run the code. Here you can see I have provided the value 2 and it will returning us. What if I will hit value 7, program again? You can see it is rainy. What if I will provide the value of, it is winter? You can see this block is not executed. Second case is also not executed. This case is executed because the condition match here. Okay. What if I will enter some random number like 100? Okay. In this scenario, none of the case matches with our input, and in that way it will return us please enter the correct. So in this way, when statements are useful in the Kotlin programming language. If you have any question regarding the when statement, ranges in the when statement, you can ask the questions in the comment section, and we will meet in the next video. Till then, happy coding.